My name is John Frayne and I'm the Commercial Director at Scope Ophthalmics. Well, one of the key things we're doing at the show is launching BlephEx, which is a new device specifically for doctors to be able to use for their patients with a condition called blepharitis. BlephEx offers the doctor a revolutionary modality really to treat those patients. For the first time ever, a procedure that's very easy to do, done by the practitioner kind of in a clinic setting, but will give patients pretty much an instant relief to their blepharitis. BlephEx is basically a device which consists of a series of sterile tips that are used for the patient or used on the patient's lids. The device oscillates or rotates at a speed once dipped in a cleansing solution, and then allows the clinician to rotate it across the lid margins, removing all the debris, scurf that builds up, collarettes, and also unplugging meibomian ducts. So unlike anything else before, it essentially is allowing the clinician to give the patient a very deep clean, removing biofilm and reducing and breaking the blepharitis cycle that so many patients suffer from. BlephEx is a completely unique device in that there's nothing else there at the moment for clinicians to be able to use. Up until now, their treatment and management of blepharitis has been very much based on at-home remedies, various forms of lid scrubs. But the problem with that is that if the doctor hasn't been able to kind of manage that themselves. So this is offering the doctor a procedure that they will carry out for the patient and then educate and advise the patient to maintain that lid hygiene thereafter. It's not unlike a dentist doing a descale and polish and then recommending to a patient to use floss and regular dental hygiene and whatever. So that's the analogy that tends to resonate with most people. The feedback has been absolutely incredible. We had a live demonstration here yesterday, and they were standing kind of 5 deep for it. Again, I think one of the great things about a show like this is that we get to exhibit and display the product to a whole audience in an environment where they have the time and the ability to listen. So often in practice, doctors are busy for time and they're pushed for time and they don't really get to see things in the context that they normally would. So the feedback has been phenomenal. This is a condition that affects people all over the world. Eyes are the same no matter where you come from, and the condition, unfortunately, the treatment options haven't been good enough to date, and we think we can help there. If anybody wants to find out about BlephEx and learn a little bit more, if they want to contact Scope directly, probably the best way is via our website specifically, is blephexlids.co.uk. Certainly in the UK, we'd be more than happy for one of our sales team to go out and visit, do some demonstrations, whatever else, and certainly even to many international customers, we'd be happy to field any queries they have and be able to look after them for there.